Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna make a paper airplane. This is how you make it. You make it like a pointy place. Up here, when pointy, you can click all those up parts. And then you get it like this, do this, fold it like this. See this? There. Just like a mailbox. There we go. So I think we go like right here. Let me do that. There. I think it's perfect. And then I think not. So here. Take it long, go down, and do it here. That'll be right, I think. No, it's not right again. Right here will be right, I think. It's not right. And click it. Look at this part. Flip it like that. And then you turn it back. You do this. Oh, hi. Sorry. So, I think you do this. Yes, you do that. Okay. You have to do it in the line so it can go perfect. Very perfect. Very, very perfect. Okay. And then hurry up. You have to click, hurry. Perfect. Now it's a little bit more part. It's gonna finish, so hurry. Okay? But you can't see my face. You have to be strong in this part. There we go, now finished. Do this, and let me see the ground. And then you do this. If you want to add wings, you have to put it in the ground, and then and you have to do this, then finish. You can do the wings. So it's good. See that? Yep. That's how you make a paper airplane. Okay, that's how you do it. See that? Go like this. And goes like that. And comment down below. So bye. Subscribe and hit that button right there.